Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing box braids using X-Pression's pre-stretched hair in the color red. I absolutely love it when y'all decide to spice up your life with different colors. These box braids will be done on color treated hair that has little to no curl pattern. And the challenge will not only be to grip her hair securely, but to tuck her hair color as much as possible. I don't get to try the tucking technique as often as I would like, so I have to take my time with this. Y'all already know to part the hair into two sections, the front and the back. And in the back section, to part 4 subsections and then do your triangle parts. Let's talk hair types with box braids. Type 1 and 2 are prone to collecting oils and need to be shampooed more often. Because of this, 2 to 3 weeks of wear time is best for minimum breakage. These hair types are not as strong as others when having to endure the tension of being braided and holding the extra weight of the braiding hair. Thus, they are more likely to break off. Type 3 is a little less prone to collecting oils, but are strong enough to handle being braided for 1 to 1.5 months if prepped properly beforehand. Doing a deep conditioner before and after being braided can help maintain healthy hair. A leave-in spray or a light moisturizer will also help. Oil the scalp seldomly to keep from creating buildup. Type 4, though being considered as the driest hair type, can wear these braids for the full 2 months. Use deep and leave-in conditioners and moisturizers before and after being braided. While wearing the braids, oil the scalp regularly to keep a healthy scalp. With all this being said, do what you will with your hair, but take what I've said into consideration. Now that I've dropped this knowledge on y'all, let's talk about tucking. The tucking technique is used to hide your client's hair within the braids. Typically, it is used on larger box braids. However, both of us like the size I normally do, so I'm gonna make it do what it do. To tuck the hair, make sure that as you are braiding, your client's hair is under the braiding hair. If at some point it is not, then twist it until their hair is tucked underneath the braiding hair. From there, continue to braid. You will have to stop and do this several times on each braid. That is why this is time consuming. Now I know I didn't hide every piece of hair, but I did get most of it. I explained to her beforehand that I most likely couldn't hide all of her hair, and she was okay with that. has never had box braids, here are some things you must know. They take hours to do, so bring a snack or even bring a neck pillow in order to take a nap. It takes a minute to get used to the extra weight that the hair adds. It is tight because of how the hair is gripped, but it will loosen up. Don't be so quick to put your hair into a bun. Wait a few days before you try that, or else it will most likely hurt. Now, I do know some people who can put their hair into a bun right after getting it done, and to those people, I salute them. I don't recommend it, but again, do you, boo. Do you, boo. Because her hair is prone to collecting oils, I'm not going to oil her scalp. Instead, I just apply the foam and set her under the dryer for 5 to 10 minutes. Use boiling water to seal the ends. And now we're done. I think a little more practice and I'll have this technique in the bag. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'll see you next time.